A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northeast of Greencastle, or 22 miles southeast of Crawfordsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following texts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Coachville around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hunnell around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Danville and Clayton around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks and Putnam.
Lovely
Give you
sound.
kind of a heads up into portions of Marion County. It will be interesting to see.
5
These
o'clock
are areas
Eastern
that
time.
had quite a bit of rain earlier in
June
the day.
10th,
And how
2018.
that's going to impact these storms as
We're
they're
gonna
rolling
keep,
off toward the east and southeast.
watching this. It's within a squall
Looked like
line.
they kind of a little bit of the lightning dropped out, Kevin, but it's starting to kind of pulse up again, especially near and south of I-70.